up, YouTube? It is your girl, Kim. As y'all can see, I'm back with another video for you guys. But anyway, you guys, as y'all can tell, I forgot to do the intro and the ending part. Like, you feel me? I forgot, and I'm sorry. So, y'all might not see me in these parts of the car meet. Y'all might not see me, so yeah. But anyways, you guys, down below by the title, I'm talking too fast. So down below by the title, I am showing y'all a car meet on 15th Street, Fort McLennan, Lincoln Walmart, and Thankful Park. But anyways, you guys, yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the bell. I'm going to turn your post notification. If you haven't subscribed, you already know what to do. Hit that big old subscribe button. I said, you guys, y'all need to follow all my social media. It will be in the description and on the screen. All on like Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat. So yeah, you guys, so y'all can be updated on everything. And I'm back, y'all. So this video will be premiering tomorrow, y'all. Today is Monday. So yeah, y'all will get this video on Tuesday at 5 o'clock when I get off of work, straight at 5. But anyways, you guys, let's get between this video on game. So that's the end of my vlog, y'all, for the car meet in Innocent. But anyway, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that bell down below, turn your post notification. If you haven't subscribed, you already know what to do. Hit that big old red subscribe button. Also, you guys, don't forget to follow all my social media. And I'm on the road to 2.1K, you guys. So give me that on game.